Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by enabling the Meshlight workflow in your UE5 project. Make sure you run 5, 0 or later, and Lumen is active because it handles global illumination. Once done, set the mesh mobility to static or stationary, depending on whether you want baked indirect lighting or dynamic responses. Then assign a mesh actor in the scene and prepare a material with an emissive color plugged into the emissive input. This is the core step that turns geometry into a light source. Next, you build the emissive material. Combine a constant 3 vector for color with a scalar multiplier for intensity so you control brightness precisely. For example, color *10. Make sure to plug that result into the emissive input. If you need realistic falloff, add a light profile or custom occlusion via material functions. Also enable the material option used as emissive for static lighting when you plan to bake, because that flag informs the lighting system to treat the surface as an actual light source. Finally, you complete the Meshlight by choosing Bake versus Lumen real-time updates. If you bake, run build lighting. If you use Lumen, just play and observe. Make sure lightmap UVs exist for static meshes, confirm mobility is correct, and adjust emissive intensity to avoid blown highlights. If the mesh looks dark, check that used as emissive for static lighting is on, verify UVs, and increase the emissive scale. One key troubleshooting tip is to clamp post-process auto exposure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.